But you were coughing so wild, so crazy through your sleep throughout the day. It was almost like you were trying to summon a dragon or something.
Yeah,
And I bet you that dragon's name was Clarence.
this morning I was coughing so hard that I gagged probably like 3 times.
That's the worst.
Like, when you gag, it's just such a gross feeling.
It's not good.
It's like it makes my stomach hurt.
Mine too, thinking about it.
I can't do it, but like I still gagged because I was coughing so hard.
That's true.
I was inhaling too much air.
Apparently. All right. We talked last week. What came after Thanksgiving? The
elves.
Let's talk about them. Where have they been? What have they been doing?
I'll
And
try
talk
to
about
remember everywhere they've hid.